If you want to use Gemini on Google Pixel 10a, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to simply press and hold the power button. So if you press and hold it, then usually you can activate Gemini quite easily, and usually the microphone is enabled immediately, so you can ask Gemini about anything straight away. Also, if you want to, you can tap on the microphone in order to deactivate it, and you can immediately find such options as share screen with live. You can use the plus button in order to attach files, or you can use the live mode in here. Besides that, you can get the Gemini app. I believe that it is pre-installed, but in case I am wrong, you can just simply open the Play Store and then search for Gemini in here, so you can download the app quite easily. There we go. So we should be able to find the app over here, and then we can of course open it once it is installed. And you can of course just type your prompt. You can activate the microphone as well. We have the live mode just like before. We have some options, and the plus button allows you to attach some files. Of course, we can also use a widget. So if you have the app, you can press and hold your finger on the app, and then we can go to widgets, and you can add this small widget in here. You can actually resize it to make it even smaller if you want to, or bigger, and that's up to you how it should be. But as you can see, we can adjust it quite easily, and we can tap on one of these options that you have available on this widget to start using Gemini to quickly activate it. Besides these options, what you can also do is you can go to settings, and over here in settings, if we go to the system and then choose the navigation mode, and then if you use gesture navigation and go to settings, you can enable swipe to invoke the assistant. And in this case, you can swipe from the bottom left corner inwards or from the bottom right corner inwards to also be able to activate Gemini. So as you can see, there are a couple of different ways to start using Gemini and to activate it, and you can choose whichever is your favorite, I guess. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.